Round-robin scheduling is one of the simplest and fairest CPU scheduling algorithms used in operating systems. Let's understand it with an easy example and a clean diagram. Round-robin is a preemptive scheduling algorithm where every process gets a fixed time slice, called time quantum. When a process uses up its time quantum, the CPU moves to the next process in the queue, continuing until all processes finish. It is mainly used in time-sharing systems where fairness is important, ensuring every process gets an equal chance and no process stays waiting for too long. Let's take 4 processes, P1 with 10 milliseconds, P2 with 5 milliseconds, P3 with 7 milliseconds, and P4 with 6 milliseconds, with a time quantum of 4 milliseconds. Now let's draw the Gantt chart step by step, showing how each process runs for its time quantum, then cycles through until completion. The final Gantt chart shows the total completion time of 28 milliseconds, demonstrating the interleaved execution of all processes. Round-robin gives each process equal CPU time, avoids starvation, and is ideal for multitasking and interactive systems.